Did you know? In the early days of programming, computer scientists used punch cards to input code. They had to carefully align each card to avoid errors. Once a program was finished, they'd feed the deck into a machine, hoping it ran perfectly. If an error occurred, finding the problem could take hours or even days, relying on a paper trail of holes. Today, we use sleek IDEs and automated testing. But the journey from punch cards to modern coding is a testament to how far we've come in making programming more efficient and user-friendly.